Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. We're going to do a little do-it-yourself project here, a little something to help your garden out. As you know, bees are our friends. We like to attract them to the garden. We do this, of course, by planting plenty of bee-friendly flowers. However, there's one other thing that bees like, and that is water. Bees need water. And so we're going to make a bee bath. Yeah, not a bird bath, a bee bath. The first thing you need is one of these. This one is plastic, although you can get a terracotta one if you would like. It's a pot saucer that you put underneath a flower pot. You're also going to need some rocks. Now, I went to Dollar Tree and bought this bag of rocks, and to provide a little color for either decoration or to help the bees find the bee bath, we're going to get some glass beads as well. Marbles will work too. You don't have to buy these rocks. You look around, you'll find them. We also want a few larger size rocks as well. Wash the rocks. You can see that they're all wet. I washed them, got a lot of the dirt off of them. I have no shortage of these. Just throw a scattering of these larger rocks into there. Throw some more of the smaller rocks around them, like so. And you're seeing it. I'm just using rocks that I found around my house and around my neighborhood, and basically just around. It was completely unnecessary to go out and buy the bag of Dollar Tree rocks. Oh well. Now, that opened easier than I expected. Now let's get some of these clear beads and scatter them around inside here as well. Provide a little bit of color. Bees like color. They'll be attracted to the shininess of the glass, of the green and clear glass beads. And the next thing we do, we're just going to fill this with water. If you have a rain barrel, fill it with water from the rain barrel. There you go. Now you don't want to fill it all the way up. You just want to get it. You do want to make sure that there's the tops of the rocks are not flooded, so that the bees can land on them. Okay? And that's all you got to do. And we're just going to go place this in the garden. We're going to put it back against the fence, probably over by the purple sage plant. And there it is. Down there by the fence, in the shade. I can already see there's flying things interested in the bee bath. So there you have it, a real quick do-it-yourself project to help attract bees to your garden. Share this if you know someone who would like to see how to do this. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And keep on gardening. Thanks for watching.